Hello friends, this is Ging Short Canada and the weather is rainy. And in this part, the weather is sunny and the sky is clear. And we are looking for our friend's house because we're gonna have our household in their place. You see, the sky is bright. It's beautiful.
Malayo pa po 100 po dito.
And suddenly, we are surprised and amazed. Here comes the hailstorm. Look at that. My goodness. It's just in how many minutes and the weather changed from rainy to sunny, then hailstorm. You see that little white thingy? That's the hail. Can you imagine in just a span of how many minutes the weather change we experienced the three kinds of weather: rainy, sunny, and hailstorm. You see that? It's amazing but scary. And then the hailstorm stopped. And back to normal. And then again, raining. What an amazing day, right? Super, super. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.